Hey there, freedom fighters. Today, I'm revealing the 7 best ways to make easy passive income that could literally change your life. And if you're tired of trading your precious time for dollars, this is the video you've been waiting for. Listen, I built multiple passive income streams that have allowed me to live life on my own terms. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can do the same. No fluff, no nonsense, just real strategies that actually work. Let's get into it. Number 1, real estate rental income, the foundation of wealth. You know what separates the wealthy from everyone else? Assets that pay you while you sleep. And real estate is the grandfather of them all. When I bought my first rental property, I was terrified. 2 young kids at home, they weren't the man children they are today. A mortgage, and now another property. My wife thought I had lost my mind. But that single decision set us on a path to financial freedom faster than anything else. And here's why rental properties work so well. Number 1, you can leverage your investment. Use the bank's money to control a $300,000 asset with just $60,000 down. Number 2, multiple income streams from one asset. Monthly cash flow, appreciation, tax benefits, and principal paydown. Number 3, inflation protection. As dollars become worth less, your property becomes worth more, and rents naturally increase. The key is buying right. Remember my 1% rule. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. So a $150,000 property should rent for $1,500 monthly minimum. Here are some action steps to get you rolling. Research rental prices in your target area. Connect with a real estate agent who specializes in investment properties. Start with a small, manageable property like a duplex and consider house hacking. Live in one unit, rent the other. And here's a crucial mindset shift. Stop thinking of real estate as a burden and start seeing it as a business. And each property is a wealth building machine that works whether you're awake or not. And that's the essence of making passive income. Never notice how the wealthy actually smile during market crashes while everyone else panics? That's because they're playing an entirely different game. One where money works for them 24/7, even while they're sleeping. And speaking of having your money work harder than you do, wait until you learn about this next method. But before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more content about earning passive income. Number 2, dividend investing, getting paid to own companies. Let me tell you something mind-blowing. Right now, thousands of companies are desperately trying to pay you just for owning a tiny piece of their business. And I'm serious. Dividend investing changed my life when I realized I could build an income portfolio that pays me every single month without selling a single share. And here's how it works. Companies distribute a portion of profits to the shareholders. These payments come regardless of stock price fluctuations, and dividends typically arrive quarterly. And with enough shares across different companies, you can create monthly income. I remember when my dividend income first hit $1,000 in a month. I was at my son's wrestling match when all the notifications hit my phone. Talk about a proud dad moment, both for my son's winning pin and my portfolio's performance. And here are the action steps. Start with blue chip dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased dividends for 25 plus years. Set up automatic dividend reinvestment or DRIP to compound your returns. Build a diversified portfolio across different sectors and aim for companies with 3 to 5% dividend yields and sustainable payout ratios. The mindset shift, you're not just buying stocks, you're becoming a business owner, and these companies work for you now. Making passive income through dividends means understanding you deserve to profit from the world's best companies just like the 1% does. Never wonder why the rich seem to get richer without working harder? They've discovered the secret of ownership, where companies literally deposit money into their accounts every quarter just for holding paper. And if you think that's powerful, wait until you see what happens when you own something even more valuable. Number 3, digital products. Sell once, profit forever. And when I published my first digital product, I was shocked when I woke up to sales notifications from people I'd never met in countries I'd never visited, all while I was sound asleep. And that's the magic of digital products. Digital products are the ultimate leverage. Create once, sell infinitely. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit margin. And here's what works. Ebooks, like my middle class mindset escape plan. online courses, templates and tools, software and apps, and photography and graphic design assets. Let me tell you about my middle class mindset escape plan journey. I poured everything I knew into that book, thinking maybe a few dozen people would read it. And fast forward, and not only is it helping thousands, but it's also creating passive income every single month. And I'll share my cool Breitling watch story. But first, let me drill home on the importance of passive income before purchasing doodads. We all like nice things, or most of us anyway, but it's so common to slap things on your credit card and go into debt for material luxuries and, well, just stuff in general. And I love the way one of my online mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, teaches the subject. He explains the importance of first obtaining income-producing assets to actually cover the cost of the toy or doodad. Now back to my Breitling story. I had wanted this gold Navitimer forever, but I made myself a promise. I wouldn't buy it until I increased my passive income by $45,000, the cost of this solid red gold beauty. And by the way, the digital product sales were a huge part of reaching that goal. And then the craziest thing happened. When I called the Breitling boutique at North Park Mall in Dallas, the sales rep Ben took my call. And man, he knew his stuff about watches, and he definitely convinced me to come to the boutique instead of purchasing it from the online store. So I told him, great, I'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. And then Ben promptly responded to my text saying, perfect, I'll see you at 2 tomorrow. And also, I have a Breitling branded Wolf watch winder with a block mechanism that I believe would be a much better fit for you instead of that goofy travel bag they offer online. So I'm all giddy because I'm finally getting one of my dream watches and some free stuff. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. But anyway, I realized that I never shared my name with Ben. So I texted him back, hey Ben, in case my name didn't show on your caller ID, it's JD Gibson. I'm looking forward to meeting with you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Then Ben replies, wait, JD Gibson? I saw Gibson on the caller ID, but I had no idea it was the JD Gibson. I actually used your book as a source for an essay in my college management class. And your advice stood out to me. Unlike a lot of others, yours comes from real experience and feels much more grounded in reality. And I'm so excited to see you tomorrow. It's my honor, sir. I'm like, wow, what are the odds of that happening? But pretty cool how the laws of the universe work. But anyway, so what's the real lesson here? Two things. First, your knowledge has incredible value when packaged correctly. And second, always secure income-producing assets before splurging on luxury items. That watch wasn't just a purchase. It was a milestone that represented $45,000 in new passive income. Now, let's get practical and discuss the exact action steps you can take to create your own digital products. Identify your expertise or knowledge others would pay for. Start small with a simple PDF guide or template. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to host and sell, and reinvest profits into marketing your digital assets. The mindset shift: your knowledge has monetary value. Package it once, and it can pay you for years. Making passive income through digital products means breaking free from the hours for dollars trap forever. What if the job you need to quit is the one where you're the only employee? Imagine creating something once that pays you thousands of times over, year after year. That's exactly what my next strategy unlocks, and it requires zero special skills to start. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Earn commissions without inventory. I used to think affiliate marketing was just for social media influencers with millions of followers. Boy, was I wrong. It's one of the cleanest passive income streams I've built. Affiliate marketing means recommending products or services you genuinely believe in and earning a commission when someone purchases through your link. No customer service, no inventory, no headaches. And the beauty is you can start with zero audience. I built my affiliate income starting with just my personal network and a small blog. Here's the strategy. Choose products you actually use and love. Create helpful content that solves problems. Reviews, comparisons, tutorials. Use targeted keywords to attract the right audience. And build trust first, sell second. I remember checking my affiliate dashboard while on vacation with my 2 man-children. They were arguing over who got the window seat on the plane. Grown men, I tell you. And I was watching commissions roll in from a blog post I had written 8 months earlier. That's the power of making passive income through affiliate marketing. And here are some action steps. Join affiliate programs for products you already use, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, etc. and create content that helps people make buying decisions. Focus on higher ticket items for better commission rates, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. The mindset shift: you're not selling, you're connecting problems with solutions and getting compensated for being the bridge. The products would exist whether you promote them or not, so why not benefit from your recommendations? Never notice how some people seem to make money in their sleep while you're still trading hours for dollars? They've tapped into this secret network that pays them commissions on products they don't create, don't ship, and don't even customer service. And speaking of making money while you're completely hands-off, number 5, automated social media and YouTube channels, content that pays. Creating strategic content that drives income streams? That's one of the smartest passive income moves you can make. And it doesn't have to work the way most people think. Here's the honest truth. My YouTube channel isn't directly monetized through ads yet, but that's actually been a blessing in disguise. Instead of chasing pennies for ad revenue, I've used my content to drive something much more valuable: affiliate commissions and product sales. And this channel has become my 24/7 salesperson, building authority and trust while directing viewers to high commission offers that align with their needs. The results have been incredible for my bottom line. And the surprising truth about content creation: it's not about going viral or having millions of subscribers. It's about creating targeted, helpful content that attracts exactly the right audience for your offers. And here's how to do it right. Choose a profitable niche with specific problems you can solve. Create genuinely helpful content that establishes your expertise. And strategically mention relevant products and services that truly help your audience. And build an email list to maximize the lifetime value of each viewer. And let me be transparent. When I started this channel, I had no idea what I was doing. And my first videos were honestly terrible, and they're still not so great. But I focused on providing real value. And over time, the affiliate commission started rolling in. And now my content drives passive income even while I'm not posting regular. Here are the action steps. Research profitable affiliate programs in your area of expertise. Create 10 to 15 pieces of content that naturally lead to those solutions. Set up proper tracking links to measure which content converts best. And focus on building trust first, selling second. The mindset shift: content isn't about vanity metrics. It's about building trust assets that can pay you for years. Making passive income through content means understanding that one loyal viewer who trusts you is worth more than 1,000 random views. What if your work could pay you 1,000 times instead of just once? While most people create content that gets forgotten tomorrow, the wealthy build content machines that print money for years. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see how some people are making 6 figures without creating anything at all. Number 6, rental arbitrage. Profit from space you don't own. Here's a strategy that blew my mind when I first discovered it: rental arbitrage. Simply put, you rent a property long-term, then re-rent it short-term for profit. I stumbled into this when a buddy needed someone to take over his apartment lease. Instead of just living there, I got permission to list it on Airbnb. The result: the short-term rental income covered my rent, utilities, and put an extra $800 in my pocket monthly. The beauty of rental arbitrage is that you can start with minimal capital compared to buying property. Scale quickly with multiple units. Test different markets without long-term commitment. And outsource management for true passivity. Now, I'm not saying it's all sunshine and roses. There was a time a guest called me at 2 a.m. because they couldn't figure out how to use the TV remote. And my teenage son at the time grabbed the phone and talked them through it while I was half asleep. "Dad, this is why you should have hired a property manager like I told you," he said. When your kids start giving you business advice, you know you raised them right. Here are the action steps. Research areas with high short-term rental demand. Check local regulations and lease terms. Start with one unit to test the concept, and automate with smart locks, digital guidebooks, and cleaning services. The mindset shift: you don't need to own assets to profit from them. Making passive income sometimes means finding creative ways to add value to existing resources. What if the barrier to real estate investing isn't money, but imagination? While everyone else is saving for decades for a down payment, the smartest investors are already cashing rental checks using properties they don't even own. And this next strategy takes the own nothing, earn everything approach to an entirely new level. Number 7, automated e-commerce, selling products without touching them. Let me tell you about the most hands-off business model I've ever built. Automated e-commerce with drop shipping and print on demand. The concept is beautifully simple. You market products online, but suppliers handle inventory, shipping, and fulfillment. You never touch the products. My supplement company, Nulifespan, started with the print on demand model. Instead of investing thousands in inventory up front, I partnered with a manufacturer who would produce and ship products only when customers ordered. What began as a small side project quickly grew into a legitimate business. 3 months after launch, we were generating $3,000 monthly in passive income with minimal day-to-day input for me. Here's why it works. No upfront inventory costs. Test products without financial risk. Scale winning products quickly and automate nearly every aspect of the business. The key is finding the right niche and creating designs or selecting products that resonate with a passionate audience. And the action steps for this one: choose a specific niche with passionate followers. Set up a Shopify store or Etsy shop. Connect with suppliers, Simplify, Printful, Printify for POD, or AliExpress for dropshipping, and create or outsource compelling product designs and descriptions. The mindset shift: business doesn't have to be complicated. Making passive income through e-commerce means understanding that systems and automation are more valuable than hustle and inventory. And what if the perfect business doesn't require warehouses or employees or even touching the products? Imagine waking up to sales notifications from customers you've never met, for products you've never handled, being shipped from places you've never visited. Pretty amazing, I must say. There you have it, my 7 best ways to make easy passive income. But here's the truth. None of these will work without the right mindset. Remember what I talk about in my book. The middle class mindset keeps you trading time for money. And the wealthy mindset builds assets that make money while you live your life. And start with one strategy that resonates with you, master it, then add another. And before you know it, you'll be making money while playing with your kids or traveling or even sleeping. And like I always say, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building systems that eventually make you rich permanently. And if you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more wealth building strategies. And check out my book, Middle Class Mindset Escape Plan, for a deeper dive into financial freedom. And check out this next video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. And until next time, remember, your income can work harder than you ever will. And go build that passive income life you deserve.